Hi everyone, today we're working on question 238 on LeetCode called product of array except self. So we're given an array of numbers and we want to return an array such that every element in the output is equal to the product of all the elements except itself. So in this case, the first output value should be 2 times 3 times 4, which is 24. Then the next one should be 1 times 3 times 4. The next one is 1 times 2 times 4, and the last one should be 1 times 2 times 3. So to do this, we're going to actually make a separate array for the left and right subarrays for the input, and then multiply them together to get our result. So let's put this in Paint to really draw it out. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 as our starting array. So we have a left and right array. The left is going to start with a value of 1 on the left, and the right is going to start with a value of 1 on the right. And the idea behind this is we're going to keep multiplying or keep adding elements into each array based on the number that we pass as well as the previous value. So I'm going to say L of I equals L of I minus 1 times nums I minus 1. So in this case, for example, L of 1 is going to be L of 0 times N of 0. N of 0 is 1, so 1 times 1 is just 1. Then for the next value at index 2, it's going to be 2 times 1, so 2. Then the next one is going to be 3, so 3 times 2 is 6. For the right side, it's going to be very similar. So we're going to say R of I is equal to R of I plus 1 times N of I plus 1. So just the other way around. So in this case, 1 times, in index 3 of our right array, it's going to be the fourth element times 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. Then the same idea, it's going to be 3 times 4 is 12. Then the next element is 2, so 2 times 12 is 24. So then if we just multiply index by index, it's going to be 1 times 24, which is 24. 1 times 12, which is 12. 2 times 4, which is 8. And 6 times 1 is 6. And if we double check, that matches up. So let's try this. Oops. So let's call that left and that right. And initialize this with 1 and then iterate. So you can say left I equals left I minus 1 times nums I minus 1. Same thing with right. Oops, this should just be a 1, not an overhead 1. You say start to take the last element, which should be not here, but it should be here. Right I equals right I plus 1 times nums I plus 1. And then for our result, just multiply them together. So we can say And so we return the result. So let's see if this works. Oh, oops, left 0 equals 1. So let's try it again. Oops, I can't say left. So we initialize it. And it works just fine. Cool. So runtime of this is going to be O of n, since we're just doing 3 iterations over the array over these 3 loops, where n is the length of the input array. And that just about sums up this question. So I'll put a link to the question as well as my GIF down below, and see you guys next time.